Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to talk about a new functionality that's called uh, the possibility to add a co-organizer to a meeting. So currently it's in public preview, but it might be when you're listening already in GA, general availability. So a co-owner is actually something that we can activate. So let's see how it's done, and then let's talk about the limitations. So I organized the meeting. I have Alex here and Ami, and if I click on meeting options, I will have this open up. And one of the things I can see here is actually choose a co-organizer. So I can click on the drop down and I can choose from the people. So currently I assigned Alex, and actually you will see also who can present. You might see also only me or the co-owner. And you might see in other things allow meeting chat. No, here we don't see it. Bypass the lobby, only me and co-owner. So there's some functionalities that were added. And actually, let's see what does a co-owner, what can he do or not. So first of all, it says here that he can be a co-owner if he's part of the tenant or if he's a guest but he's registered in the tenant. So what can he do? He can access and change the meeting options, this thing, and he can bypass the lobby. He can admit people from the lobby. He can lock a meeting. He can present content. He can change another participant's meeting role, and he can end the meeting for all. And here are the things actually he cannot do. He cannot view or download attendance report. He cannot manage the meeting recordings. He cannot edit the meeting invitations, or he cannot remove or change the organizer role. As we mentioned, we saw some options that he's included. So actually, you need to try it out. It might be, as I said, in public preview, or it might be already available. And here we see the setting. By the way, if you're already interested, you see there's a possibility to enable Q&A. You can allow or not allow reactions. You can enable or not enable meetings, or maybe chats. You can set automatically that the meeting will be recorded. You can allow the camera or the mic, and all of the things here that seem to be relevant. So try it on. By the way, let's just look a second. I wanted to see here. I think regarding to the role of breakout room, he cannot do anything. But specifically there might be something else. So this is the information I wanted to provide. See you in the next episode, and goodbye.